Are you tired of feeling like you're stuck in a negative cycle, and you just can't catch a break? Well, what if I told you that you have the power to attract more positivity, success, and abundance into your life? It's all about tapping into the law of attraction, and in this video, we're going to show you how. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to manifesting your dreams and living your best life, buckle up and let's go. As we mentioned earlier, the law of attraction is a belief that like attracts like. In other words, the energy you put out into the world is the energy you attract back to yourself. So, if you're constantly thinking negative thoughts, feeling anxious, or worrying about the future, you're actually attracting more negativity into your life. But the good news is that you can use the law of attraction to your advantage. By focusing on positive thoughts, feelings, and beliefs, you can start to attract more positivity, abundance, and success into your life. Here are some steps you can take to get started. Identify your goals and desires. The first step is to get clear on what you want to attract into your life. What are your goals and dreams? What do you want to achieve in your career, relationships, health, and finances? Write them down and be as specific as possible. Visualize your success. Once you've identified your goals, spend some time visualizing yourself achieving them. Imagine what it would feel like to have everything you desire. Picture yourself in that dream job, living in that dream home, or traveling to your favorite destination. The more you can visualize your success, the more you can attract it into your life. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for attracting more positivity into your life. Take some time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a good cup of coffee, a beautiful sunset, or a supportive friend. By focusing on the good in your life, you'll attract more good things. Take action. Finally, it's important to take action towards your goals. The law of attraction isn't a magic wand that will instantly grant your wishes. You still have to put in the work and take steps towards your dreams. But by using the law of attraction, you'll start to attract more opportunities, ideas, and resources that can help you along the way. So, there you have it, a quick overview of the law of attraction and how you can use it to attract more positivity and success into your life. Remember, it's all about focusing on positive thoughts, feelings, and beliefs, and taking action towards your goals. With a little bit of practice, you'll be amazed at how much you can achieve. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.